I got these two laundry carts that they've been serving me for different purposes. I just wanted to do a comparison. Over here, we have the black one over here that has a handle. It's a little bit taller than this one, or around the same size, but it does help that it has this handle. And the difference over here is that it doesn't have a divider. So you have everything in one single basket if that's what you want. You can still divide it like I did over here, or you can just put all the clothes right after the dryer and put them inside, so that way you're just carrying them around if you're going to start to fold them around, and then you can put them back once you are organized. So you have this option over here with this one, or you can also have this option with this white one that is also really good to roll around. It doesn't have a handle, but it does have extra storage over here in the bottom where you can put your shoes, or have that extra, utilize that bottom space as an extra storage or extra space to put more folding clothes. And this one does have a divider. So it has a separate basket that you can pull and take with you. It has these handles over here. So this has that option to divide. And over here, the other one. So both of the baskets you can remove and put back in. And you can have one side specifically for one person and the other one for another person if you want to be a little bit more organized with your laundry. So they both are really helpful. You can use them for different purposes, but I just wanted to give you a comparison depending on the needs or the things that you're looking at for laundry carts.